One of the biggest challenges facing small business owners today, managing finances. It's one of those things we know is important, but let's face it, it can feel overwhelming. Most of us didn't start a business because we love accounting. And with limited resources, it can be tough to make every dollar stretch while keeping the doors open and planning for growth. But here's the good news, you don't have to do it alone. Let's talk about the top 10 financial management challenges small business owners face, and more importantly, how to tackle them with confidence. First up is cash flow management. It's absolutely essential. Without steady cash flow, it's hard to pay expenses, suppliers, or even yourself. The key, bill clients in advance when possible, review your accounts weekly, pay off debt before it grows, and create multiple streams of income. And yes, always pay yourself first. It's not selfish, it's strategic. Second, access to capital. Many small businesses struggle to get the funding they need. The solution? Keep your debt low and your records spotless. When your financials are clean and clear, it's easier to get approved when you do need funding. Next is budgeting and forecasting. Not everyone loves spreadsheets, but knowing where your money is going helps you make smarter decisions. No budget will ever be perfect, so take the pressure off. Whether you hire a pro or take a quick online course, having some guidance goes a long way. Now let's talk about debt. It's tempting to rely on credit during a slow month, but that adds up fast. Pay off credit cards frequently, even multiple times a month, and pay your vendors quickly too. It strengthens your relationships and earns you priority when it matters most. Tax compliance is another big one. Taxes can be complicated and missing deadlines is expensive. Track your expenses accurately and on time. Hire a bookkeeper. Work with a solid accountant who does quarterly and yearly reviews, and don't be afraid to grow into these responsibilities. Then we have cost control. Profitability doesn't always mean making more money. It also means spending wisely. Understand the difference between your cost of goods and your overhead. Invest in technology that saves time and money, but avoid subscriptions that eat away at your bottom line. Risk management is also key. The market will always shift, but if you diversify your services and keep improving, even during slow seasons, you'll be ready to bounce back stronger than ever. Let's not forget human resources. Hiring and keeping good people can be tough when you're competing with big companies. But if you plan for what your team should look like in the future, price your services appropriately, and believe in paying your team well, you'll build a business that attracts top talent. Next is technology adoption. With all the apps and tools out there, it's easy to get overwhelmed. Simplify. Use fewer systems, outsource training, and build solid policies so you're not reinventing the wheel every time. And finally, adapting to change. Markets shift, customers evolve. You need to stay flexible. Sometimes that means trying something new, letting your customers guide your direction, and being willing to stretch your limits. Yes, it's a lot, but here's the truth. You're probably already doing more than you think. Most entrepreneurs are managing these challenges every day, often without realizing it. So the most important thing I can tell you is this: don't give up, never surrender. Keep showing up every day, even when it's hard. If a decision doesn't work out, learn from it, pivot, and keep going. Building a business from the ground up takes courage, grit, and heart, and I believe in you. If you're ready for support, I'm here to help.